I knew at an early age that I wanted to farm. When I was a kid, I'd spend hours in the barn lot on an old pedal tractor. In my mind, I was driving through a field, planting corn, just like Dad and Grandpa. You know, spring has always been my favorite time of the year. Coming out of a long winter, the smell of the earth, and watching things come to life. Being able to continue what our family started was something that my brother and I always wanted to do. And farming without my brother, well, that's not an option. Now that the farm has grown, we each have our own responsibilities. But I'll always cherish those days where we worked side by side all day long. Dad always taught us at a young age that you have to make time for God, time for family, and time for work. And still to this day, we never work on Sundays. It's not just a day to worship the Lord, but time you spend with your family. In farming, you're faced with challenges every day. From surviving the drought in '81 to losing Dad in '06. Prayer is what's gotten us through the toughest of times. As I've gotten older, I've realized that, yeah, we farm to make money and provide for our own families. But we're also raising food for millions of people. And that's a much larger responsibility. But it's the kind of responsibility I love. That's why I farm.